Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English Practice. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Olivia. Today, we've got a really exciting topic, how speaking English can actually put more money in your pocket.
Yep, and not just a little bit. Studies show that people who speak English can earn up to 30% more than those who don't.
That's huge. Imagine two people doing the exact same job, same hours, same experience, but one speaks English confidently and the other doesn't. By the end of the year, the English speaker might have thousands of extra dollars in their bank account.
So, why is this the case? Well, in today's global economy, English isn't just for traveling or chatting with tourists, it's a tool that opens doors to better jobs, higher salaries, and opportunities you might not even know exist yet.
Exactly. And today we'll walk you through the top advantages of learning English that can increase your income. We'll share real life examples, scenarios you can picture yourself in, and some practical tips along the way. Let's start with one of the most powerful benefits, better job opportunities. And when we say better, we mean better in every sense, higher pay, better working conditions, more chances to grow, and greater stability.
Think about it. Many companies today operate internationally, even if they look local. Your corner store might import products from overseas, a factory in your city might export parts abroad, and your national company might collaborate with partners in 5 different countries.
And in most of those situations, English is the common language that connects everyone, which means even if your job is right in your city, being able to speak English can make you the go-to person for international projects, meetings, and deals.
And once you're on that list, trust me, you become very hard to replace.
Let's paint a picture. Imagine there's a management position open in your company. Two people apply. They've got almost the same qualifications, same degree, same work history. Both have great technical skills.
During the interview, the manager says, "Sometimes you'll need to attend meetings with our partners in Canada and Germany. Do you speak English?"
Candidate number one smiles and says, yes, I can communicate fluently. Candidate number two hesitates. Well, I understand some English, but I'm not very confident speaking it. Who do you think gets the job?
Yeah, no surprise, the fluent one. Even if both are talented, the company almost always picks the person who can handle international communication.
And it's not just for big companies. Imagine you own a small restaurant in a tourist area. If you speak English, you can welcome international customers, respond to reviews online, and even promote your restaurant on global platforms.
And that can seriously increase your income, especially in high tourism seasons.
Here's something people forget. Jobs that require English often start at a higher salary.
Right? And over a career, that difference can add up to tens of thousands of dollars just because of a language skill.
So remember, English isn't just nice to have.
It's a career multiplier. It makes you more employable, more valuable, and way more competitive no matter where you live. Now, let's talk about something that's a total game changer, freelancing and remote work.
Oh yes, this one is huge. Thanks to the internet, your clients don't have to be in your city or even in your country. They can be anywhere in the world, and the key to unlocking those opportunities, you guessed it, English.
Think about platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com. Even LinkedIn, where companies are always hunting for skilled professionals.
And here's the catch. Most of those platforms require you to write your profile, proposals, and messages in English.
Exactly. Imagine two designers. Both have amazing portfolios.
But one writes clear professional proposals in English while the other struggles.
Guess who gets more projects? Every time, the one who can communicate confidently in English.
And here's the best part. When you work globally, you're often paid in stronger currencies. Dollars, euros, pounds.
Right. Let's say you're a graphic designer in Latin America. Locally, you might earn a modest rate. But online, a US client could easily pay you much more for the exact same work.
That's double or even triple your local rate, and for the client, it's still affordable.
If you just worked part-time hours online, you could end up earning more than many full-time local jobs.
And this doesn't only apply to design. Any skill can work internationally, if you use English.
Absolutely. Programming, web development, marketing, SEO, content writing, teaching, coaching, translation, transcription, the list goes on.
And almost all of these jobs can be done remotely with English as the main communication tool.
But it's not just about the money you make today. Working with international clients builds your global reputation.
Every satisfied client can recommend you, invite you to new projects, or offer long-term contracts. Over time, your portfolio grows, your confidence grows, and most importantly, your rates grow too.
Plus, the more you work in English, the more fluent you become. And that creates a positive cycle. Better English, better clients, more income, even better English.
Here's something many people don't think about. Freelancing in English doesn't just grow your wallet, it grows your confidence.
Oh, yes. You learn to negotiate, to explain your ideas, to solve problems in another language. That skill doesn't just stay in freelancing, it helps in job interviews, networking, even business meetings. You're not competing in your local market anymore. And the rewards there are way higher.
So, if you've got a skill the world needs and you can present it in English, you're competing in the global market.
We've already talked about how English helps with jobs and freelancing, but there's another powerful benefit that's often overlooked: the access to information. And not just any information, but the kind that can give you a massive advantage in your career or business.
Exactly. Think about it. Most of the world's research papers, technical manuals, business reports, and even high-level training programs are published in English first. In many cases, it can take months, sometimes years, before they're translated into other languages. So if you're able to read and understand English, you're literally getting a head start while others are still waiting.
That head start can make all the difference. Imagine you work in marketing and a new report is released in the US about online shopping habits. If you can read it immediately in English, you can start making changes to your campaigns right away, maybe even doubling your sales. Meanwhile, your competitors are stuck waiting for someone to translate the report. By the time they get the information, you've already moved ahead.
The same thing happens in technology. New programming languages, tools, and software updates almost always come out in English first. I know a developer who took advantage of this. When a new JavaScript framework was launched, he studied the English documentation the same week it came out. Within 2 months, he was already offering services using that technology. And while other developers in his area were still waiting for tutorials in their own language, he had already landed 3 major contracts, all because he got there first.
And it's not just about official documents or reports. A huge portion of the best free content online is in English. I'm talking about YouTube tutorials, coding guides on GitHub, webinars from top companies, business podcasts, even free courses from universities like MIT or Harvard. Many of these resources never get translated, which means that if you know English, you're learning directly from the source, without filters and without delays.
And here's something even more interesting. This access to knowledge creates what I like to call a knowledge confidence loop. The idea is simple. You learn something new in English, you apply it before anyone else, you see real results, and your confidence grows. That confidence then pushes you to look for even more advanced information, and the cycle keeps repeating.
Over time, that loop can completely transform your career. You're no longer just following trends or trying to catch up. You're actually leading. And in today's global economy, the people who lead are usually the ones who earn the highest salaries, attract the best clients, and receive the most exciting opportunities.
So when you invest in learning English, you're not only learning to communicate better, you're learning to see the future of your industry before it happens in your local market. And being ahead almost always translates into earning more.
Another big advantage of speaking English is how it completely changes your experience when you travel or do business internationally. It doesn't matter if you're attending a conference, visiting suppliers, exploring new markets, or just networking. English is usually the language that opens all those doors.
Exactly. English is the most widely spoken second language in the world, which means that in airports, hotels, restaurants, exhibitions, trade shows, and business meetings, there's almost always someone who understands you. That ability gives you so much freedom because you don't have to depend on a translator or a bilingual colleague every time you need to communicate.
And that independence doesn't just save time, it can literally save money. Imagine you're at a trade show in Germany and you discover a product that could be a game changer for your business. The representative only speaks German and English. If you can't speak English, you'll need to wait for a translator, and maybe by the time you're ready, your competitor has already closed the deal. But if you do speak English, you can walk right up, introduce yourself, and start negotiating immediately. That kind of quick action gives you a huge advantage.
And let's not forget the networking side of things. Conferences, expos, and international events are packed with opportunities to make professional connections. When you can speak English, you can introduce yourself confidently, exchange contact details, and follow up with people later by email. You can ask questions, explain your ideas, and join conversations during coffee breaks or dinners. And honestly, that's where many of the best business opportunities happen.
Absolutely. And there's something people rarely consider. Speaking English can also protect your money. Misunderstandings in contracts or negotiations can be really expensive. If you misinterpret a clause in a contract or make a mistake in an order because of poor communication, you could lose thousands of dollars. But if you can read and understand the documents directly in English, you're much less likely to make costly mistakes.
And once you have that confidence, exploring new markets suddenly becomes realistic. A small clothing brand in Brazil can start selling online to customers in the US or Canada. A startup in India can pitch directly to investors in London. A coffee producer in Colombia can negotiate with cafes in Australia. These opportunities exist everywhere, and English is the bridge that connects them.
So when you speak English, the world really does become your marketplace. You can travel with confidence, close deals directly, avoid expensive misunderstandings, and build relationships that cross borders. And all of that can have a direct impact on your income and your professional growth. Wow, Olivia, we've covered so much today. Let's take a moment to look back at everything we've talked about.
Absolutely. We've seen that English can open the door to better job opportunities, allowing you to earn more and grow faster in your career. It can help you work with international clients, building a global portfolio, and earning in stronger currencies.
It also gives you access to exclusive knowledge, letting you see trends and innovations before anyone else in your local market. And of course, it makes traveling and doing business internationally much easier, saving time, reducing mistakes, and helping you build professional networks.
When you put all these benefits together, English isn't just a skill, it's a tool that can completely transform your professional life. It allows you to earn more, grow faster, and create opportunities that you might never have imagined.
And the best part, you don't need to be perfect to start seeing results. You don't need a native accent or to know every single grammar rule. What matters is communicating clearly enough to connect, share ideas, and solve problems. The more you use English, the better you get, and the more doors will open.
So here's our challenge for you. Commit to practicing English every day, even if it's just 15 minutes. Watch videos, read articles, write short notes, or have a quick conversation with a friend. Every little bit adds up.
Because the global economy isn't slowing down. English continues to be the bridge that connects people, businesses, and opportunities around the world. The sooner you cross that bridge, the sooner you can reach the opportunities waiting for you.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep moving forward. Your future self and your wallet will thank you.
That's it for today's episode. Thanks for listening.
See you in the next one. Bye.